Hey friends, today we are going to draw the Space Shuttle. In Spanish is transportador espacial. We are drawing the shuttle first. Drawing a line. Now I'm drawing this. Now I'm drawing the wings. See? Okay, let's draw this part from the wing. I can fix this. I can put it like this. Now let's draw this. Finish it. Now let's draw the second wing. Now we are drawing like this. Part of the cargo bay. It looks like when you make a circle. Now we are drawing like a curve. Finish it. Now we are drawing windows here. Uh-oh. Now let's make this black. Let's draw the part of the shuttle. Now let's draw the nose. Now let's make the part for the rocket motors and then the engines. This is for the rocket motors stay. For the rocket motors. And this is for the engines. Now we are drawing like this. Exploding. Now we are drawing the windows here. Can we paint them black? Now we are doing like the payload bay or cargo bay. Call this payload bay or a cargo bay. We finished the shuttle. Now we're drawing the rocket. Drawing very long. And the solid rocket boosters or auger vehicle or solid rocket boosters. Now let's draw fire. Now we're drawing in each solid rocket booster. Now we're drawing the tank. Now we're drawing the simple building. For nozzle. Now fix the solid rocket. It needs to be like bigger. Finish it. Elevator. Now we are painting the fire. Maybe cool. That fire. I'm going to spell use 5. Just in one. For watching, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.